Mike Echo departing runway 7, all area traffic advised, Whiteside County.
Can you repeat that again? I got started slow.
Whiteside County traffic, Cessna 352, Mike Echo's departing runway 7. All area traffic, please advise, Whiteside County.
Perfect. This is our GoPro test.
Victor D0, Mike is 5 minutes south. Inbound for touch and go, runway 25, Whiteside.
Inbound for 25.
I know it.
Jesus. If anybody's wondering, we're heading 25 right towards this dude that's doing a touch and go. But we'll be peeling off before we see him close up. Okay, that's our dash cam test.